Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring your system isn't mid-update, because that blocks fixes. Check Windows Update and reboot if anything is pending. Once back, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Troubleshoot and Additional Troubleshooters. Run the Start menu troubleshooter, or at least open PowerShell as admin now. These first actions collect error data and often auto-repair permissions and package issues. Make sure to keep an admin session active so subsequent commands can execute without interruption. Now you'll repair core system files to restore start functionality. Open PowerShell as administrator and run sfc/scano to detect corrupt files. This scans and auto-replaces damaged system files. Once SFC finishes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image and pull healthy components from Windows Update. After both commands complete, restart Explorer. EXE or simply sign out and sign in so the repaired files load. Finish by re-registering the Start menu packages if earlier steps didn't help. Open PowerShell as admin and run the app package re-register command to reinstall built-in apps for the current user. Once done, reboot and confirm Start launches. If it still fails, create a new local admin account and test the Start menu there. This isolates profile corruption. If the problem remains, use System Restore to roll back or consider an in-place Windows repair. Tip: if commands error, note the message for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.